Well, I'm conflicted on a few things, and other things I'm not conflicted at all. Well, it's time to figure out the body. Yeah, things are a little different than I thought, but you'll see what I mean. I mean, just take a look at it, tell me what you think, and see where we got to go from here, because, boy, I'm conflicted on a few things, and other things I'm not conflicted at all. I'm just trying to sort this out, and I kind of want your opinion. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you think. I gotta get this right the first time. Okay, so I set the body back on it. Boy, it sure sets up a little high. It's going to give me plenty of room to get the steering through. That's good. All right, there's the grill. I like how it sticks out front. I could move it farther forward a little bit to bring that up closer, and I could bring the body forward a little bit. And I may yet do that. Then I have plenty of clearance. You can see on the engine here. You can see I've got just enough clearance for the carburetor. Look in the side here. And yeah, it's hard to tell in the dark. But there's clearance for everything. You look down the side here, the motor's not sticking out. The only thing sticking out on this side is that one piece of exhaust tube there for the EGR, and that's going away because I'm changing the carburetor. Yeah, everything looks like it's going to work. I mean, it does sit a little higher than I anticipated. You can see how much higher than factory it has to sit. It's about 7 inches up. Right here is this. Used to sit clear down on here. And I'm going to have to come up about 7 inches in order to clear the engine. The other option is to run without a hood, have the engine stick up, but I really want to have a hood on it. Why, I don't know, but I do. I want a hood on it. I want to get rid of the box back end right here and put the Boattail on it. And I'm really thinking about putting a cabin on it, making it enclosed. I have plenty of height for seats. I'm probably going to cut the body right here, follow the door opening down and straight down, and just get rid of everything back here, and keep the cowl and this bit here. It fits the hood fits the radiator brace, and then the radiator grill sits there really nicely because it was built to. And then I can probably move the whole firewall forward just a little bit, because now the front wheels are a little far forward for my liking. I really want to bring the grill forward another 3 or 4 inches. I'm gonna see about that. There we go. That's where I want that grill. Right there in front. Well, I mean, obviously it's in the front. It's always in the front. But it's the point is in line pretty much with the center of the springs, the center of the cross member. It's just right where I want it. The front wheels are out in front like they should be, but not ridiculously out front. I've got plenty of room in here. I'm gonna have to relocate the shifter forward a little bit, which is fine. That's no problem. The body's actually farther forward by several inches, because this used to be center with the rear tires, but I really like this better. And then that gives me more room for the seats. That gives me more room for everything. I think we've got body placement. Now I just gotta cut that bad boy off. I have to figure out what I'm going to do down here and go from there. But I'm going to measure where I've got to put the body first. I'm going to see if I can't get a fender setting in place just to see what this looks like.